What is surprisingly safe for human consumption? 1. Crocs. One of the original selling points was that, due to them being made with 100% non-toxic materials, you could boil the shoes and eat them should you find yourself stranded in the woods. I haven't tried them, but I would imagine they taste as bad as they look. 2. The little stickers on the fruit you buy in the store. Even the glue for them is FDA approved. 3. Dog and cat food. The FDA requires pet food to be human grade because during the Depression so many desperate people died from eating pet food. 4. Green crayons. 5. A whole box of Nivea cream apparently. I ate an entire box of Nivea cream when I was a toddler and the only after effect was that my poop smelled nice for a while. 6. Charcoal. Well, not the one you'd buy for BBQs, but medical charcoal has a similar composition and is not only safe, but awesome at cleaning up some unfortunate gastrointestinal interlopers. 7. Some packing peanuts are actually made out of cornstarch. They of course aren't produced in a food-safe environment, and all of the nutritional components like sugars are removed so as not to attract bugs. But yeah, most styrofoam peanuts are edible. The ones that aren't made of cornstarch though are made of polystyrene, a petroleum-based plastic. So definitely do your research before you decide to sample some packing peanuts. 8. Coca-Cola. That stuff polishes chrome, dissolves calcium, and can clean copper. 9. One of my great obsessions in life is to think of who was the first person to eat something. Like who was the first to see a white hard thing come out of a chicken and decide to crack it open, see a gooey mess, yet still see what would happen if you heated it up. And after all that, have the balls to eat it. Same goes for mushrooms. Like, did people just keep eating them until they figured out which ones killed you, which ones made you tweak out, and which tasted great with steak? 10. Dandelions. Most folks see them as just weeds, but they're completely safe to eat and actually quite healthy. The leaves can be eaten raw or cooked like spinach. The roots can be peeled and boiled into soup or tea, and the flowers can be made into wine and jelly, or eaten by themselves. 11. Chalk. My teacher wasn't happy, I was hungry. 12. Everything is edible at least once. 13. I'm reading this thread like I'm looking for dinner tips or something.